How to change the limits on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change the limit on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to change the limit on Cash App, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch Cash App and just make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed into your account, you're gonna see this type of interface where you have to tap the profile icon located at the top right hand side, and then you will see this type of information where you simply need to go to the limits option here. Now once you come to the limits tab, as you can find it, you should be able to see all of your current and existing limits, where all you have to do is just go ahead and find out your existing limits, and then you will also find the option to increase your limits accordingly. That's all it takes to change the limits on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.